Alright, so we're back in Geyland, where Sean has alerted us that there is one of the best chili crab restaurants in Singapore. Right, Sean?
Yep.
And we're about to get some chili crab, which is a national dish of Singapore. I don't know what's in this lemon and lemon tea, but you guys gotta try some lemon tea when you go to Singapore.
The sauce and yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know much about chili crab, like how to cook it.
Why is the chili crab so famous in Singapore?
I have no idea as well. It's just famous. I think just people just like to eat it.
Yeah. Seems like everyone here loves chili crab. Chili crab is here. King chili crab.
Look at the sauce. And then you can eat it.
And you eat it with the thing? Cool. It's called mantou bread. They're really crunchy and soft, and they go really good with the sauce. We used to order another plate. It's really delicious. You take the bread, you dip in the sauce, and you eat it. The sauce is really good. It's pretty spicy though. Sean showing us how it's done. Alright, I'm about to go in on this chili crab. It smells really delicious. It's delicious. So my mouth is burning right now. It's really fire, literally. It's really good. The sauce is one of a kind. And Leia likes it too, and she doesn't really try seafood that often, so that's a plus. No more crab. It was delicious. Thank you, Sean. Once again, the food lived up to his hype. Sean, my faithful tour guide, did not steer me wrong again. And yeah, that's the end of the vlog. So tune in for more episodes.